Hey guys, this is my dogs. 4 and 1 in the, under the bed. So the white one, that one, his name is Puffy, and he's a baby, and he's cool, he's cute, and this is Sarah. She's a girl. And there's Chop Chop. She's a girl, mother of these 2 babies. And Papa is under the bed. Where's Papa? Papa, Chicken, Chicken, Chicken. Chicken. Let me talk. Let's see, guys. Whew. Chicken in there. There. Let's see where he is. Yes, that's no. I can't see it.